What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so you've got a 12 volt ARB compressor in your vehicle or something, and you go to flip on the compressor one day with this switch, and it comes on for a minute, and this light looks kind of dim, and then it gets dimmer, and then boop, it just stops. And then for me at least, I took another vehicle that day, came back, tried it again, light came back on again, fade, then dead. So try this. So take this wire off right here. This is your isolating switch, by the way. It says it on the little harness. Your red and yellow wire right here. Take that off, apply 12 volts of constant hot power to that source, and flip your switch. If everything works fine, then I know what your problem is. So follow this little red and yellow wire back all the way. You're going to find this. ARB puts this in. It's like a diode or resistor of some kind. It's also on the blue and white wire for your dash light illumination dimmer. Snip that out, butt splice it if you have to, whatever. Run a new wire to your ignition source, and then boom. This comes on, nice and bright. Everything's working fine. So hopefully that'll help some of you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments.